Alrighty, so in this example we have x squared and then to the power of negative 3 all over x to the power of negative 5. And we can solve this or simplify this expression using the exponent rules or properties that we have already learned. So on the top of this fraction here, we can just use the product property, which is where we multiply these two numbers. So that's just x to the power of 2 times negative 3, which gives us x to the power of negative 6, right? And on the bottom it's just x to the power of negative 5, so we can write that down. Now we're dividing by the same base. So there's a property we learned to deal with that. If you're dividing by the same base, what can you do with the exponents? This expression becomes x to the power of, take the top exponent, negative 6, and subtract the bottom exponent, which is negative 5. Now the common error here is to just put one negative in here, but that wouldn't be correct because this is a number. This is the number negative 5. And you're subtracting it from negative 6, right? So it's negative 6 minus negative 5, right? And then we simplify that. So take your time. Now let's see if we can do that. Negative 6 minus negative 5. When you subtract a negative, it's like adding a positive. So that becomes plus plus. Negative 6 plus positive 5. 6 bad guys, 5 good guys is 1 bad guy. X to the power of negative 1. And there's one more step, because you've got to give your answer in a form where the exponent is positive. So how can you write x to the power of negative 1 a different way where the exponent is positive? Or rather, the negative exponent has gone away. So you might remember that's 1 over x to the power of 1, right? Or 1 over x. Same thing. Okay with that? So that is walking through this problem using the properties of exponents.